Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping in today. Today I have my Eyescream beauty box. Really cute box in here. I mean, they're usually nice, but this one is extra nice, it seems like. So like I said, this is the box. They also have Eyescream beauty bag. And I have had both for a long time to show what is in both, but I just keep the Eyescream beauty box. Inside is the best things in life are sweet. So there's that. You do get a card. And this is February, Love is Sweet. Okay, so that makes sense. You get 5, right? No, 6. 6 products we have. Always has the peanuts. We have a lipstick right here. And this is Medusa, I think, is it not? Yes, Medusa's makeup. Creamy lipstick, $14. This is Fired Up. More than likely a red. February red. Here's the packaging. If it's red, I will share it. It's red. Nice red right there. I will share this. I don't wear red ever. I have a few that I've kept, but that is about it. So we have that for $14. That's what I said, 14. We have something here from Mirabella. And this says Glow on it. Mirabella Glow. I think this is setting powder, if I'm not mistaken. Mattifying Protective Pressed Powder. So setting Universal Hyaluronic Pressed Powder. Okay, so setting powder. Just, oh, nice. I just got my fingerprints on that. Let's try to get it off. So that's what it looks like. Beautiful packaging. Should be magnetized. Usually oh, nice. Oh, that's the, so it comes on, you know, 2 areas. So here's that sponge. That's a nice little sponge. I like those. And then the powder. Oh, and it's lit. Oops. That's, of course, everything is hitting the floor already. A little protective shield we don't have to worry about. So that's what the powder is. Translucent. But it has a lit mirror. Can you guys see that? I don't want to shine it directly. So it lights up when you open it. Nice. Let me see what that feels like. That feels really nice. So it is, you know, setting powder. Feels nice on. I mean, it's not going to, you won't see it on camera, but it did look like it blurred a little bit. I can't believe I got my finger right in there. Mattifying Protective Pressed Powder with LED Lit Compact. And it definitely will hide some pores because I can see what it's doing on my hand. It kind of just like gave it a quick little blur. Well, I'm happy for that. Did I say how much that was? I don't know if I did. $45. Hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic in there, so I'm sure there's hyaluronic acid setting powder. So that's good for your skin. Infused with hyaluronic acid, antioxidants, and what is that? Oh, and hydrolyzed soy protein. So what does this do? Of course, it's so small. It locks in moisture while keeping your skin looking fresh and flawless. I think that'll look nice. Oh, I'm excited to try that. I don't need to keep these little things. I think there was their choice for this box. Again, did I see? No. I think that might have been the previous month. So from Peony, we have Butterfly Butter Lip Scrub. I did see the lip scrub here somewhere. I don't need to keep that shield either. Where did I see lip scrub? $10. Get Healthy, Get Inspired. Peony Beauty. Let's see what they look like. A little tiny tube. That's pretty full. That's not bad. And that is sealed. I'm going to leave it sealed. So that's 3 of the products. What else do I got here? Oh, a nice brush. Look. So there's a brush. Who's this from? Is this Moon Slice? The Heart Face Brush by Moon Slice Beauty, $15. How adorable is that? I'm going to have to take it out to show you. Might not keep it, so I'm not going to touch it. Just, you know, do I need more brushes? No. Let's look at this. How adorable. A little heart. Nice flat bottom brush. Like I said, I'm not going to touch it with the hairs just because if I don't keep it, I don't need to be touching it. If I keep it, different story. It's cute. Do I need it? No. Looks like there's 2 palettes in here. Let's see what they are. Maybe that was, there was no choice. I remember seeing something, no choice. Maybe we were getting both. So I have an Ofra palette, mini mix face palette right here. Heads in the Cloud. So Ofra is $42. No mirror. So this is your highlighter blush. So, you know, true. Let's take this off. So the names are on the paper. So this is what they look like. The highlighters are classic, and they have to be blush, correct? Head in the Clouds, you enjoy the shining duo crimson pigment pops of color. So this is a face palette. I don't know if I mean, I guess you could use them for eyeshadow, for blush, whatever you choose. Right there, but the highlights are always nice. Ofra highlights are phenomenal. So now we have Purple Aura, Orange Sky, and Pink Clouds are your names of your colors here. I can't really see these. Let me tell you the highlights. Fantasy, Daydream, and Clouds. So that's nice. Nice to have that. Put that back. And then the last one is from Moira Cosmetics, Like a Melody. $12. Let's see what you look like. Nice. That's a nice looking palette. I'll put this to block the mirror. It's not a bad palette. I mean, this is for February. Has a mirror. Not a bad palette. Cute, cute, cute. Purples, pinks, some reds. There is a protective shield. So you have mainly matte. You have one shimmer, 2 shimmers maybe, and it looks like a more of a glittery, you know, type. And the rest are mattes. That's a nice palette too. So face palette from Ofra, this eyeshadow palette, the setting powder, which is really nice, the lip scrub and the lipstick, and then the brush, the really cute brush. So that's not a bad box for February. I mean, 6 products. I think for the most part we've been getting 6 in the box. I'm trying to think if some months we get 5. I mean, we might. I honestly don't know. So the February is right here, and this is Love is Sweet. I like it. If you don't get Ice Cream Beauty Box, I think you're missing out. These are, you know, all decent brands. They're not brands you've never heard of. I mean, I've heard of all of them. Peony, I don't know if that one I might not have heard of, but Mirabella, Medusa Makeup, Moira, and then Ofra is a big brand. Moonslice Beauty, you've heard of them. We have plenty of products from them. So I think a fairly good box for February, so I'm happy to have it. Let me know your thoughts. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll catch you all in my next video. Bye for now.